Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you they bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Patrice Evra will be Manchester United legend. Don't come as I when they talk about the match where Man U will play against Arsenal later today for Old Trafford. So Baba they talk say in they fear Gabriel Jesus because and they fear Arsenal because waiting Arsenal they bring to this game the team they fear them because they don't play their first 5 matches and they don't lose anything. So in they fear them because before in the past they talk say Arsenal and be Manchester United babies. The way they didn't knock Arsenal up and down. If you remember that time they were knock us whether not 8-2 how many whether they knock us anyhow. But now Arsenal is on the ascendancy. It is something that is visible to the blind. Now everybody they see and get. So now it can't be like saying Manchester United now be Arsenal babies. Now Manchester United be the babies of the EPL because they are building their team from scratch. All those big names, all those superstar names, everybody don't find their square roots. Even Ronaldo will come back. That one said for Benjamin. So these are part of the things we make bad talk say saying they fear Arsenal now, saying don't know how the game will go. Say well, we'll just watch and see. Even Dion Dublin will be one of our super football pundits. So Babaka they talk say Arsenal is not the best team in the EPL. Forget the fact say Arsenal don't get 100% start like they won their first 5 games. But it doesn't mean they are the best team. For all those fans who they say Arsenal wants to win the league, they're the best team. Say the best team goes to Man City. Now Man City still be the team to beat for this EPL. Check out how many goals they don't score. Check out how they are playing. So now them be the team to beat. So anybody they feel say maybe Arsenal won't win the league, or else say that person just they live in fantasy land. The person don't know what's in the talk. Now what's in Baba they talk. Though me, I don't get much talk to argue with them because of obviously we are not going to win the league. Any Arsenal fan where they talk so won't go win the league. You are just dreaming too far. You get. Let us break into the top 4 first. Forget league first. Let's not break into the top 4. We're gonna go to set unrealistic expectations, unrealistic dreams. At the end of the day, if we don't commit and now we'll call the day disappointed. Something we'll not say on a good day we'll know if we achieve it. We'll call the dreamer. There are another sources going to let us know say Arsenal they plan to wrap up Bukayo Saka and Saliba deals before January. You know say these guys their contracts not too long again. I think Saliba has 2 years left on his contract. Bukayo Saka deal go expire 2024. So they look for how they will extend these guys' contracts so that at the end of the season no can't get people with the 1 year left on the contract. The contract say they no sign now. Problem don't deal with that. So that is what we are planning on how to avoid. 2 of them are very long. They are integral to our future. So we'll look for how would they extend that. I just know say if we get a good season, then extending these deals it will do very easy. But if we get a bad season, it will do very hard because Champions League, some people don't define to play Champions League for a very long time and they never see them. So they don't feel wait any longer. And I would see me just the thing, well. Anything can stay up, more they watch. Even Paul Messi himself now come outside on the advice Mikel Arteta on how today's midfield will be. So Babaka the talk say if Odegaard no day, say make them no play Fabio Vieira for that midfield position. Say instead make them go play Emile Smith Rowe. Say in go feel say Emile Smith Rowe will make sense. I know say Paul Messi now one of our legends, Arsenal legends. So this advice when they give for me, I don't buy the idea. I don't know about it. Now, what I think about this advice? Say in case Odegaard no day, don't play Fabio Vieira, play Emile Smith Rowe. Why I go say me them play Fabio Vieira? Say this is what he does in Porto. Apart from that, number 10 row will be in favorite position. He plays every other wing he gets. Unless maybe get something we did wrong, we never tell us about this Fabio Vieira. Say make them know the player. But if to say the guy they fit, assuming in they fit 100% ready. Made them play him ahead of Emile Smith Rowe. The guy has massive experience. Can Emile Smith Rowe give like 16 assists? How many things they do? Person never even play. Also, no, Emile Smith Rowe only come on cameo appearances. But when it comes to who is an original playmaker, now Fabio Vieira be the original man where they there now. It goes back to the same thing while they talk say if you don't get senior men for your team, people like Emile Smith Rowe, people like Saka, people like Otis Martinelli, God they go chop Benjamin and Jay. Nobody say anything. That Benjamin go long. That's what it's supposed to be. Imagine say you get them with Fred Zaha for your team. Zaha go bench Martinelli any day, anytime. So no arguments for that one. So that's what it just be. So if Odegaard no day, they just slot in Fabio Vieira. Unless maybe Arteta they feel say Emile Smith Rowe will play. Then if Emile Smith Rowe play ahead of Fabio Vieira, that means something is wrong. This guy never did 100% fit. Paul Messi himself don't come outside again going to praise Arteta for inviting or attracting world-class players to Arsenal, despite say we not qualify for Champions League. You know, say people don't understand. So when people like Gabriel Jesus, when they used to Champions League, get into the final, get into the semi-final, can't leave all those Champions League journey. Can't they join now? People like Zinchenko, can't they join now? Can't they play Europa League? You don't know what he mean. It takes a day easy. Now listen to you make Toni Kroos when they cost Casemiro say, how can you leave Champions League with the winner and steady? You can't leave and they go Europa League. Jay, something they block your eye. So now all those things, some people don't really understand about Arteta is doing massive job behind the scene where people know they see, and that's what's up. I'll kind of get some injury updates, and this one not even from Arsenal pundits or sources, now from Manchester United Evening Standard. Say people will travel from Manchester for Arsenal. Say for the traveling party, say Odegaard did there, Zinchenko did there. You get, and I'm very, 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 very happy because these are people who they talk say they feel no play. You get, so me I don't know how it will be. Even Ramsdale self, according to the report, say Ramsdale self follow for the traveling party. We travel come. You know, Arteta they talk say Ramsdale and Odegaard they will give them late fitness tests to know who and who they're ready to play. So I'm expecting Ramsdale to start. Normal. I'm expecting Odegaard to play. But for that, Zinchenko own, I never really know whether in travel as a spectator or in travel as a player. I never really know. Even though for training itself, some people don't say they see them for training, whether they train, but I don't know how the lineup could be. Well, until we see the lineup, we'll analyze them better. Yesterday matches we them play, a lot of things, strange things happen. Look at an Aston Villa holding a Man City to a draw. A Man City with their Erling Haaland who's scoring goals are plenty, where they play very, very well. Look at Chelsea almost losing to West Ham and almost drawing. If not be say referee can cancel that their late goal. Many things happened that yesterday. Look at Liverpool drawing Everton 0-0. Liverpool that one can show say they really they miss a money gets very, very huge importance for the team, but a day unfortunately for them say that they discover so late now. Look at the table, look where Liverpool did. This goes to show you that this season is a different season. This season, it will be like every other season. People are struggling. We are in the game 6 now, and people don't draw points like Man City don't draw points like 2. They don't draw like 2 games. Get game 6. So we say before Man City back, they knock everybody. But now look at so that's what it just be. I just did very, very happy because no league, no season, every season they did very, very different. But they talk this season, but they tough for Arsenal. Look at how it is now. It don't really tough for the bigger boys. Who will say nobody they expect us to win the league or do anything. See you're going for the table. Even if we lose today like this, so we lose today, we still top the league. So we lose today. So what are you talking about? When Rooney will be one of Manchester United legends, don't come outside on the talk in own. So Babaka the talk say Manchester United needs to work on their intensity against Arsenal. Maybe a those slow ball where they play to increase the speed, increase the tempo, because Arsenal where they play against is a very, very big fish to fry. I just feel very happy to say all these pundits only acknowledge say Arsenal is the real deal. Like Arsenal is very strong now. You have to be careful with them. You get see Patriots ever they cry saying they fear Arsenal because of Gabriel Jesus and the people who don't buy. Yes, it's a good testament to what we are doing, that we are going in the right direction for them to be scared of us. Again, we'll not be pushovers again. So that's what it just be. I trust my Gabriel Jesus, give her one chance and I die. Even Bakary Sagna will be former Arsenal player. So don't come and call the talk say Arsenal could be the main contender against to Man City for the title. Say no be Liverpool. Say look at how Liverpool they play this season. It goes to show that they are having a bad season. Look at Chelsea also. It goes to show they are having a bad season. But look at Arsenal with the flying start together. They play very, very well. Everything they go in the right direction. Apart from these injuries, which they're going to get now, things are moving well. And made this injury not going to drag us back again. And it goes to say the same thing that this season is going to be a very different season. People just watch as everything they go. My Ghana report we can come outside about Nuno Tavares. So Babako they talk say in with an agent whether they discuss a move to Marcel, how it go be, how they go structure am. So you can tell me they add a permanent or a purchase option for the deal so that if you play very well for Marcel go feel activate them to buy him. But Arsenal can say no because in the field say if I like to make in deal, at least give Marcel that option. Say at the end of the day, if nothing make my deal permanent because he wants a place where he will get the opportunity to fight for in position again. So if you say for Arsenal and maybe cup, now he go they play. But now when they for Marseille, they play Champions League, they play cup, they play league, and he's enjoying life in France. He's scoring goals are plenty, he's making assists. What else do you want? So now what's about the talk? But say at the end of the day, no yawa as a purchase option, no day. It's nothing spoiled. But why this guy self go one run away? He never even stayed there 3 months now. Not the yarn dust. Say you want me to add purchase option. Purchase option are onto which levels now? Say you don't want the Arsenal player again, I be say you don't want the Benjamin. Not saying you want the bench with the mistakes where they make before. You don't want develop. You don't see Saliba. It's be up. Don't make me vex so. Our Paul Merson also don't come outside and they predict the match between Manchester United and Arsenal. So you call the talk say they expect 1-1 because the match is going to be very, very tough. Arsenal is a tough team now. They no be babies again before. And Manchester United, they just scrape win. They win Southampton 1-0. They win Leicester 1-0. They win Liverpool. No one, they just scrape just small goals they go. So now when they meet Arsenal, it's going to be a difficult team to play. I never know how they want to take set up. Not just the watcher. Even Patrice Evra said don't come outside again because they talk about Manchester United signing. We didn't sign this Anthony. So you call the talk say well, they expect them to start Anthony against Arsenal and at the same time make the Manchester United faithfuls give the guy time to adapt because this is a different league. When you be somebody like Anthony where you can come EPL, if you see the defenders in the EPL, you'll be surprised because they are big, fast and strong. So you know be all those shit back away they play for Ajax. They are different. This is a different league. So they will need to give the guy time to adapt. Imagine you are seeing Saliba, 1.93 inches tall, running, did there, height, did there. I want even see the battle between all those like for corner now, the battle between Saliba and Lisandro Martinez, really very, very short. How it will be. But for corner now, we will set in like 4 giants there. We'll put in a Saliba, put in a Ben White, put in a Gabriel. Okay, like 3 giants for the 3 tall men. Saliba, Morales, and the Ben White. So they have a Varane. You have Lisandro Martinez. I don't think Maka. So I don't know how it will be. I would like to see all these individual battles to get. Man say it will be. Then use a Martinelli versus Diogo Dalot for that left wing. I would love to see that battle. Let me test that in resolve. Then look at the Malacia versus Isaka. I would like to see what is going on in that place. Again, it will make sense. In the middle of the park, they will have their own job with Casemiro. Casemiro will try to nullify Odegaard. Make sure say Odegaard is kept quiet. I never know how they will do it. They have to go play Casemiro, McTominay or Fred. I don't know how they will set up, but all these pockets of individual battles, I would like to see them. The more enter match of the day, Manchester United versus Arsenal. Today, Manchester United go host Arsenal for Old Trafford for match day game 6. We are more around check their head-to-head. For the last 5 games for here, Arsenal win 1, lose 2, and draw 2. Last season, we lose 3-2 for here with the knockouts now. Cristiano Ronaldo penalty and I settle the scores. The Manchester United don't only beat us once in our last 8 outings. Although we serve now only once, we don't win them for Old Trafford in our last 15 games. You hear that record? In the last 15 games, now once we don't beat them for Old Trafford. So we just appreciate today is going to be a different game. We are expecting to go there, play our own style of play, and get the maximum points. If we know if we win, at least we could draw. Now what's myself at the talk. And I think I don't talk. Anybody who knows saying the fear, you know get the mind, you know get the liver to come Old Trafford, despite all the noise and everything, and play our game. I'm gonna make you stay for your mama house. No come outside. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click up so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.